Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Real English Conversations. Today's challenge is a little different. Guess what? Noah and I have agreed to spend the whole day working in our friend's bakery. Yes, we'll be bakers, sellers, and English learners all at once. Sounds fun, right? But also quite a challenge because this bakery gets really busy and we'll have to talk to all kinds of customers in English. So in today's video, you'll learn how to take orders politely in English, useful phrases for customer service like, "Are you ready to order?" or "How would you like to pay?" Real bakery and cooking vocabulary like aerate, caramelize, temper, and macerate. And even how to handle a rude customer calmly and confidently. These are phrases you can use anywhere. In cafes, shops, restaurants, or just daily life when you talk politely with people. So stay with us till the end because every scene has real English you can copy, repeat, and practice aloud. And who knows? By the end, you might even learn how to bake a cake and speak English like a pro. Ready? Let's open the bakery doors and start our day. Good morning, Noah. Ready for our bakery challenge?
Barely. It's 7 a.m. People really wake up early for bread?
Oh, yes! Bakers start before sunrise. First rule, always preheat the oven before baking. That means to warm it up to the right temperature before putting anything inside.
Got it. Preheat. To heat beforehand. So, what are we making today?
We're helping Emma, our friend, with croissants, donuts, and a chocolate cake. Let's check the stock first. We have flour, sugar, butter, eggs. We're running low on cocoa powder.
Running low on means not much left, right?
Exactly. Good memory. Okay, please aerate the flour by sifting it. Do you know what aerate means, Noah?
Not really. It sounds like air?
That's right. It comes from the word air. To aerate means to add air into something, especially when you mix or sift ingredients like flour. When we aerate the flour, we make it lighter and fluffier. That helps the cake rise better and taste soft.
Aerate to add air. Got it. So, aerate the flour means let some air in.
Exactly.
Wow, it looks like snow. So, baking is basically science, right?
Yes! You'll learn terms like batter, crumb, and leavening agents today. Leavening agents are things like yeast or baking powder. They help dough rise.
So neat. I didn't know bread could look like art.
Oh, wait until you fill the donuts with cream. That's the fun part.
Good morning. Do you have any freshly baked croissants?
Yes, we just baked them. Would you like plain or chocolate filled?
Chocolate filled, please. Grande latte.
Sure. Are you ready to order?
Say that before taking the order. Like this. Good morning. Are you ready to order? Or, what can I get for you today?
Right. What can I get for you today? I'll remember.
Always make sure croissants are flaky and golden brown. If the butter melts too fast, the dough won't laminate properly.
Laminate, that means fold layers, right?
Yes, that's how we get those crispy layers.
Your order is ready, sir. How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
Card, please.
Okay, that'll be $4.50. Thank you. Enjoy your breakfast. Now let's start on Emma's chocolate cake order. First, we'll beat the eggs until light and fluffy.
So, beat means to mix quickly?
Exactly. It adds air, helps the cake rise. Now, we'll fold the flour into the batter gently so we don't lose the air.
What's batter again?
It's a mixture of flour, eggs, and liquid before it's baked. Once baked, we call it crumb. See, every baker speaks their own delicious language. Watch this. We're going to caramelize the sugar for our topping.
Oh, so caramelize means heating sugar until it turns golden?
Perfect. Then we'll temper the chocolate. That means melting it slowly and cooling it properly so it's glossy and doesn't crack. Don't forget to check the temperature. Always preheat to the right setting. If it's too hot, the cake will crack or sink. Okay, Noah, time to handle the lunch crowd. Remember to smile, make eye contact, and speak clearly.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sweet Crumb Bakery. Are you ready to order?
Yes, could I have a slice of red velvet cake and an iced coffee, please?
Sure. Let me repeat your order. 1 red velvet cake slice and 1 iced coffee. Would you like to have it here or take away?
Take away, please.
All right. That'll be $6.20. How would you like to pay?
Card, please.
Perfect. You used could I have? And let me repeat your order. That's excellent polite service English.
I've been waiting for my order for 10 minutes. Where's my sandwich?
I'm really sorry for the delay, sir. We're quite busy right now, but your sandwich will be ready shortly. Thank you for your patience.
All right. I'll wait. Thanks. It's delicious. Worth the wait.
I told you, kindness always wins.
So, Ada, what does dock mean? I saw it in the recipe.
Ah, dock means to prick small holes in pastry before baking. It prevents bubbles from forming. And bake blind means baking a crust without filling. We usually do that for pies.
Oh, like pre-baking the shell. Cool.
Exactly. Now we'll macerate the strawberries for the topping. That means soaking them in sugar or syrup to make them soft and sweet.
Macerate. Sounds fancy. Can we also whip some cream?
Yes, until stiff peaks form. That means the cream stands up when you lift the whisk.
Mine's too runny.
Then keep beating, just not too much, or it'll turn into butter.
This lemon tart is amazing. Who baked it?
Thank you! We did. We used fresh lemon zest and baked the crust blind for that perfect crunch.
You two make a great team. I'll leave a 5-star review.
Thank you so much. We'd really appreciate your feedback.
All right, time to close. Let's wipe the tables and pack leftovers.
I learned so many words today, right? Caramelize, temper, macerate, and even dock. And I finally said, how would you like to pay? Without stuttering.
You were awesome! You even handled a rude customer politely. That's real English. Confident, natural, and kind.
Hey team, how did it go today?
Busy but amazing. Noah learned baking and English together.
I can now bake, serve, and speak English like a pro, almost.
Well, you're both hired for next weekend.
So that was our full day at the bakery, full of real life English, customer talk, and new baking words.
Try using today's phrases. Could I have? Let me repeat your order. Would you like to take away or dine in? And words like aerate, caramelize, temper, and macerate.
If you found this video valuable and it helped you improve your English, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more real-life English conversations. Keep practicing, stay sweet, and we'll see you next time for more real English conversations. Bye for now.